What's up, guys? It's your boy Crypto Juan here, just coming back at you tonight with another late night live stream. Hooking it up, trying to make some money, probably losing some money, but we're having fun anyways. I'm gonna get on here real quick. We're gonna see what we think we can make on. I've picked 3. I think I might be able to make some good positions in today. Co-found it. Man, Bitcoin. Oh man. Sitting at about 16,700 on Bittrex. Bittrex is what I use to trade. Spiked almost up to 20,000 a day. I think we got pretty close. Let's see. Oh man, it was crazy. Why is this not showing? Give me the 1 hours. I guess Bittrex didn't spike as high as everyone else, but that's the Bitcoin Tether evaluation. So let's just check out BTC, Coinbase. Yeah, look at that. Man, I saw this when it happened. 19,697 just for a split second, and we came right back down. You can't even call that a correction. We're still expecting a correction. I made a prediction saying we would make 15,000 by the end of the month after a 30% correction. We've just gone totally parabolic here. We're overbought for the last 30 hours. Man, wish I would have got in sooner. Oh well, let's get to the stuff here. Anyway, so we're going to be checking out Artbyte. I think there's some pretty good swings here. We can make some potential in. Get in somewhere down here around the 45 Satoshi. Probably get out, 48. That one's going to be pretty tough. Not a lot of flow right now. Florin, yeah. Here's one that I think we might be able to make some money on tonight. Be able to get in these lows, get out on these highs. This could go for a pretty good run here right now, actually, because we're about to get that crossover and keep going. I wish I would have bought in, taking time getting set this stream up, checking it out, hooking it up. But alternatively, we're playing with about $84 right now. I'm betting it all, betting it for you guys, starting small, trying to get big. Let's see what we got. Come over here, we're going to check the main page, see what's up, see what's down. I like to kind of play, let's see, I need to make this full screen for just a moment so I get the spread. I like to play on the spread. I like to come over here, I like to see what's got a good spread on it. Red coin, it says 10% spread, but last price is 10 Satoshi. It's buy for 10, sell for 11. Can't really get in on that. Some highs and some lows, some good money to be made there. So we want to come down and we want to look in our spreads, but we want to find something that's gaining. We want a gainer with a spread. So we got start coin here. Let's check that out. What's our symbol here? Start. Bitcoin. I could have made some money there, So we'll see what our spread is here. You can get in at 722, get out at 741. So what you can try to do to kind of play this market when you got a spread like this is you can come in, with max. Let's get in at 723. Make sure we're not going to fall. I need to get on the 1 minute spikes here. So we're getting in on a climb, right? So let's buy in at 723. Takes a second, takes a second. Alright, we got the buy place. We're at the top of the board. So the plan here, price is going to start coming down on us now here. Hopefully it won't fall on our heads. I lost some money today, with Bitcoin going up. My $80 last night was worth about $106. I made a couple of good 5% gains this morning. I lost it all trying to go all in on Einsteinium, I think I lost something like, I believe I was at 0.007 Bitcoin, and I'm down to 0.0053, something like that. I lost a good amount. You know, I lost all my gains and all that good stuff from Bitcoin going up. That's alright though. You know, we had fun. Alright, so we got partially filled. Somebody bought about half our order. So we'll go ahead and we'll get out. We'll cancel the rest of the buy order. We got $330 start coins. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna try to get in and out and get the max. We're gonna go 32. We bought in. What do we buy in at? 722. So we're gonna try to get out at 732. Make 10 satoshis. So 10 times 300. You're gonna make 30,000 satoshi or 3,000. I can't do math. It's all right. Nobody cares. So we're gonna try. We bought in. That's 722. We got time here. We're just gonna try to find out real quick. 337. So 2.43. Gonna try to get out 2.46. Little gain, like I said, about 3,000 satoshis. What we're aiming to make here. Actually, we can come up a little bit. We'll get a little bit of bump in the price. So I'm gonna go for 40. 38. Let's go 38. Let's get in there. Confirm. Top of the board. Gonna make a little bit. Just under 3,000 satoshi. We can get that sold. Partially filled. Partially filled. I still have faith. Buy orders are coming up. I'm still top of the sell block. Let's see. We'll find out what we get. We didn't spend an awful lot, did we? Oh yeah, because we got out. So what are we getting here? 378. It's taking a little while here, little while, guys. Let's see what else we got looking at. Ooh. Sell order filled. Alright, so we sold everything. Price jumped back up. It flopped. Alright, so somebody else wanted to try to get in on that position, so they bought me out. Because they're going to try to do the same thing I did. So we made a little bit there. Got in at 722. Got out at 737. Made 4,000 satoshi. Not a bad quick little flip there. What else can we do? Let's go back to the main page. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Check out what we got going on here real quick. Trollmania. I don't want to check out your link, bro. I'm live. I don't even know what that is. Alright. Let's get back to it. I'm sorry. I'm checking them links, looking at it. Funny stuff on Twitter going on, you know. Always watching, always watching. Oh, don't go away, don't go away, don't go away. See, we got another guy in the chat there. Welcome, how's it going, man? Trying to make some money here, you know, doing a little bit of trading. It's pretty fun. We don't got much in, so we ain't got much to lose. But the price of Bitcoin's going up. Time to get in, guys. I feel like, you know, early predictions for 2018 said it could hit 20,000. We might hit 20,000 by the end of the year. We spiked up. We almost hit it today. We were just couple $100 short. Then we had a big pullback, but this was only over the course of one candle, a 1 hour candle, guys. So we really didn't get that hold. You can't even call that a correction. That was just a quick spike in price. But I'm happy with it, you know. It negated a lot of my losses from yesterday, okay? So I'm still not in the hole yet. Still making money. BitConnect didn't make us much today. I think it was 0.12%. Or no. 0.02%. Not an awful lot. I think I pulled 20 cents on my $210 loan today, and I don't like that so much. But I did make a big gain holding BitConnect coin, as I bought in yesterday at 350. I'm still holding now at 400 some. I don't know what we're at on market cap right now. We'll just go ahead and check it out. We wait for this jump. We might have to get back into start coin here in just a second. See what we're sitting at here. BitConnect 438, up 18% for the 24 hour. Looks like Coinbase is still listing for 17,000. Market cap went up almost $100 billion today. Almost $100 billion. That is insane. Let's get back over here. Let's go back to start coin, because we're getting a nice little dip here, and it's looking like a spot that I want to buy in on. I want more positions. I want to make more money. Ideally, we'd like to get into this oversold range, buying on one of these big black candles here. You know, hook it up. So let's see. Last time I bought in at 722, got out at 737. So we're still seeing a little bit of a drop here, 715 to 720. So you see, you could still make, you know, if you got a big enough volume. I'm playing with, you know, change compared to what Bitcoin is worth right now. But you could still make a good profit, you know. Some of these volumes over here, that's 0.1, that's about $1,700 right there. Got some sells here. Like I said, that's about $1,700. That guy trying to get out at 720. And he's kind of bringing down the market, honestly. But we're not coming up right now because, you know, I think he's got some fear. He's got some FOMO. He's not wanting to miss out, and I think maybe he lost a little bit on that trade, thinking it was going to jump back up. But it's looking like we just might, though. We might come back into that here in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and get in. I think I feel comfortable at 718. Ooh, I'd have way overpaid for that. We'll go max here. Try to lock in 700 start coins. Place that order. Also, as I'm buying, I'm kind of forcing the RSA to come back up a little bit because I'm trying to buy in. Let's see here. 718. Buy filled. So now we're going up. 719. Next guy's at 719. So let's see. We got in at 717 actually. 0.0051. That's almost the whole deuce right there. That's almost everything I got. So now what we're looking for is we want to exit somewhere. Let's see, 717. So I probably want to get out somewhere in the 728, 729 range. And you know, that still puts us on the board. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take this. We're going to put 730. You know, that's what I want to do. That's where I want to get in at. Put me making a little bit. 51607.4. 51. So that's a 6,000 Satoshi gain. We'll be able to go higher than that now. So let's hold for a second. Get ready to pull the trigger on 35. But I think we might still come up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on 35, alright? Trying to lock in those profits as quick as I can. Somebody else got a little buy there in just a little bit bigger volume than me. Alright, his is gone. Mine is next. And his flopped over to the buy, so that's good. That brings the price up a little bit. You know, I don't have any competition at the top of the list. Could do good. You know, I'm making small moves, small moves on the terms of what I'm trying to get here. Somebody's undercut me a little bit. I got in at 717. I'm trying to get out at 735. That's a 2% move, 2.4% move. Let's make sure we lock in profits so we don't take another down hit here, just like, you know, we're looking like we're gonna fall into a trend. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that out. And then I'm gonna sell a little lower. So 729, I'm gonna put it back at the top of the board because this guy was having a big sell wall right there in front of me, about $1,700. Oh, I got a message. Don't message me. I'm trying to make money. Let's see, likes, message. Alright, we'll be all about stocks and trading them. Troll mania. What is this? Self-filled. Alright. We're sold. We've made profit. Let's see, I got out at 29. So 1.62%. That ain't much. But you know, that's 12 Satoshi times 800. 9,600 Satoshi. That's like, what is that? $3? No, $2? That ain't a whole lot. No, 10,000 Satoshi would be $1 something yesterday. I'm not sure what it would be today, but let's see. Probably could have held, but you know, see, prices coming down a little bit. I want to lock in profits, even if they're small gains. Because if I can make 10 1% moves over the course of an hour, it's better than one 10% move because of compounding. You know, it's compound 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. I'd rather do that than make one big 10% move. As long as you're locking in profits, everything is good. Everything is good. Man, he ain't even online. He sends me this link. Somebody's creeping on me. What up, homie? You here to moderate that chat?
I can. I started a live stream on Twitch, which I'm going to connect to my YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
That way, whenever you're streaming, I can stream and we can talk.
Heck yeah.
So,
Just locked in some profits here, man.
I don't think that's going to sit
It didn't show that. I clicked on your link there and I didn't see anything was live. Video output low. Sorry. YouTube's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. You can't be streaming while I'm streaming. You're cutting out my bandwidth, son.
Are you not on different Wi-Fi?
It's the same internet.
That's gay.
It might be.
Why don't we get better Wi-Fi?
You can't get better Wi-Fi here in the middle of nowhere, man. Let's get back to trading. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I don't want to minimize that. Oh,
Is there anybody watching right now?
2.
Who would it be?
I don't know. No one's in the chat. Dun, dun,
Well,
dun, dun,
Can't you
dun,
give these
dun.
Satoshis away?
Give Satoshis away?
Yeah.
I could, yes. Let's see what we're up to. I don't see a solid trade to make here. Man, could have got in a little bit there. Still waiting here. Still waiting here. We're getting another dip here. We could make probably another 1% here. So we're going to stay where we are. I'm thinking here's what I want to do. I might do a giveaway. I think I want to get in at 705.
Quick question.
Yes.
So, on this deal you're using, is it like Robinhood? Can people sign up underneath you?
You can sign up on Bittrex. There is no benefit for you signing up underneath me, though you do, however, have to buy Bitcoin first. The best way to do that would be via Coinbase. You come here to Coinbase. If I could spell it would help. So when we come over here to Coinbase, we'll check this out. We're still watching here, so we'll switch back once the time for making trades is right. We come over here to Coinbase. Essentially, if you join up, my link is obviously in the description here. If you join up under me, you can get $10 and I will get $10. Basically, you buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, you get $10, I get $10, everybody wins. You know, it's kind of the same as Robinhood. You sign up under me, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, everybody wins. If you don't want to keep that stock, hold it for 3 days, get rid of it, make money, you know, be on with your life. It's a great, easy way to make a couple of bucks. Might be $3, might be $100. Who knows? We're about to make a profit here, so let's get back on over here because I don't want to be buying at 705. I want to be buying at 6. Oh, no, I do want to buy at 705. I think we're going to come back up here, lock in that order. So I'm at 705. So see, we almost got a 15 Satoshi difference. Oh, man. Big drop. Did I mess up? We'll find out. We'll hold on to it. We'll hodl it, because I don't think this downtrend is going to continue. Because we've got some support right here. I think we're going to make a bounce. Who knows? Let's see where I got in at. 705. I want to get out. We don't have a lot of buy orders for, you know, less than 700, so I'm not too worried. That means these people are still holding because they're sure the market's going to bounce back. So I want to get out at 720 maybe? I think 720 is doable. Possibly. We got in at 705. Let's see exactly what we got in at. We got in at 704. So, you know, I'm cool with making 10 Satoshi or 7,290 Satoshi. So let's get out at 714, man. Got another buy order right there. We'll just jump right on it. That's where the majority of the volume is. You know, that's about $7,000 worth of people trying to sell at 714. Somebody will most likely buy this wall out to bring the price up. So we're gonna wait for that because we're coming real low into oversold right now. Are you still streaming? Because we're still getting really low output. Hop up on the YouTube and comment on the live chat, and I can make you a moderator. That way, if somebody does want to talk to us, God forbid, we can have somebody talk to them without me having to pay attention to that. And my buy order has filled. Has it? No, it hasn't. That was an old message. We're still on the board at 714. Price is staying about the same. We're looking at some lateral movement here, most likely. Continuing a downtrend. We're going to hold. You know what? I've lost too many trades today. If I sell now, it's going to negate everything I made on my last 2 trades. So we're going to hold. And we're going to pray. Let's see. Let's see. The video looked pretty smooth though, actually. I thought so. Oh man. See, I always get in too early. I always think it's just gonna skyrocket, and I bet the whole cow. I should have came in at half instead of whole so I could bought in a better position, to really kind of negate some of my losses there. Because if I bought in a better position and got them both out at the same price, you know, I'd have made profit here.
Should I create my channel as that?
I don't know, man. Boogeyman trading? It would be Boogeyman and then trading is the last name.
Well, that's what it said it as because I had Boogeyman.
Let's see.
Boogeyman stock.
We're not getting so much lower down there. But we're not even on the board anymore, man. Ugh. It hurts me. It hurts me.
Should I put it as Boogeyman stock trading?
We're going to check out my Robinhood real quick. You know, check out the link below. You'll be able to see. You can get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. You know, I don't want to lie to you. If you sign up, I'm making money, but so are you. I'm up 1.37% today. Pretty happy about that. You know, just starting small, but, you know, pennies a day keeps the full-time job away. All right? Man, I don't care what your name is, homie. Just get in there.
Well, I don't want it to be something dumb.
You can change it. Change your channel name.
Whatever.
I would do like Boogeyman trades.
Okay.
Too late now. Click the live chat. In the doobly-doo. Alright? Talk to me. Talk to me while we're losing money. We're losing just oodles of money here. Man, this hurts my feelings. Sign up for Coinbase. Use my link in the description. Buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. You'll get 110. I'll get 10. Everybody wins. You know, there's no losing when everybody wins. And if you buy into Bitcoin, I guarantee the price will go up. I can't guarantee that. I don't know. These are all my opinions and not financial advice because I can't give financial advice, only opinions. We're coming back up a little bit here. We're getting a little bit of a bounce. I don't know if I'd really call it a bounce. It's kind of a, I don't know. It's acting like a sloth.
Oh, wow. You can't put an IP address in the live chat.
No, you can't. Doobie-doo. Because you're not a moderator.
I'm not what?
But you are now. Try again. Don't you be posting your ad for your Robinhood and my
I was
link?
gonna fuck with you and do that, and it said I couldn't.
Come on now.
And now you're telling me to try again.
Well, post my link if you're gonna post a link in there. I don't even know if you can post a link in there. Let's find out. Let's
Well, I can try it again if you want me to.
let's check this out. We want you to sign up, get you some free stock in Robinhood so you can make money, unlike me losing money on these trades, okay? We want you to make money. We want to get up in that chat. Let's go ahead and flop over real quick. I don't think I've got voice set up on the chat, so you'll just have to look. Check it out. Get that free stock. Just do it. Okay?
Yeah, no options. Just do it.
You want to get into Bitcoin. If you want to learn about it, check out the link below for futuremoney.io. It's a great course. It kind of teaches you the ins and outs of Bitcoin, what it is, what it means to be decentralized, and why overall it's valuable. You know, it gives you all the information you need to squash all the haters on Facebook, all the haters on YouTube, so you can explain to them what Bitcoin is and why it's a worthy investment. Let's see here. I don't want to cut losses, guys. I'm in too deep right now, and it's just gonna hurt my feelings if I gotta sell down 40 Satoshi. Ooh, man. We're gonna have to hold. We're gonna have to hold. What else is going on here? No money to be made here. Well, we could have made some money there the whole time we were losing money here. Why are you guys not telling me this? You should be paying attention and telling me when there's money to be made.
You talking to me?
Maybe.
Okay.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's hit up the main page again. I'm gonna go ahead and unpin this tab because we'll see what my approximate value's gone down to. We want the wallet. Give me the wallet. 75. What did we start with? What was it? 86. We've lost 10 bucks. $10. Well, and Bitcoin went down $500. So that happened. So that probably accounted for four of the $10 I've lost so far. My total value is now 0.0047, whereas it was 0.0053 previously.
I'm trying to figure out how I stream my Twitch to my YouTube.
Stream your Twitch to your YouTube.
Like link it.
You can't.
Yeah, you can.
Why would you be able to do that? You can use a service called restream.io to stream to both at once.
There's a way you can like.
I don't know, man. I'm not a genius. Otherwise, I'd be rich. And I'm not rich. It just ain't. It just ain't rich. Ooh. Let's see what people got to say. Nobody's watching. Hey. Been live for 32 minutes so far. We always try to make these streams about an hour long. It took me forever to get set up. I wanted to start at about 8 o'clock. Had to wait till 9 o'clock because I was playing World of Warcraft. I was slacking on you guys and not showing you how to lose money, apparently, because I'm still losing. And the longer I wait, the worse it hurts. When 1% gain turned in to a 12% loss so far. So we want this to come back up. Even if I can get it up into the 5% range, we're going to get out of it as soon as it starts to dip under that, because I want to try to cut losses that's not going to hurt me so bad. Okay? Now these are the tragedies that happen because you can't ever truthfully predict where the market's going to go. You might be able to, I can't. But we want to see a rise here. We want to see this go back up because we're way, way oversold right here. We want to get back up into this area here. I think that can bring us probably to the 674, 675 range. I might be okay getting out there. The 675 is right here on the bottom. Oh, he took another little dip. I'm not 675 anymore. We want to see the gap close. We want to see this get closer to this number, or this number flop. We want to see somebody buy out the whole 56 position and put it onto a buy order, and that would squash it and bring the price up. Would be going into just now getting into the regular zone between that 30 and 70%. RSI. Let's see, what's our loss now if we get out? It's 8.7%. I still want to go higher, guys. I don't want to go lower. I don't want to hold this and lose. But I just might. You know what? Let's look at the 1 day. We had some spikes, so I mean, that's where we've got the support down here. That's kind of where it came to. I want to get back up here. I'm tired of losing money due to bad trades. Sell filled, start buy filled, start canceled. I don't know. I'm thinking we're going to continue downtrending here. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. Cancel. Let's see. We're still bought in at 704. If we could get back up to that, that would be amazing.
Chesapeake's just going straight down.
Yeah, man, Chesapeake is in a frickin' fall. Oil right now, especially here in Oklahoma, is not that great. Come on, keep going up. Keep going up. I want to make money, not lose it.
Question.
Okay.
On Robinhood, when you go to click on gold, it says you could choose one of these for, you know, you get a month free.
Uh-huh. You go to deposit $2,000.
But
you can go through and continue. I already tried it, man.
No, I know. I'm saying, like, right here.
Yeah, it's just like a regular brokerage account. So they're going to front you the money. So this is the point where if you get into the gold account on Robinhood and you get in so you can get the extra purchase power of, you know, double your money, your losses can exceed your initial deposits. So if you don't know what you're doing, I would not recommend going for a gold account, just for the fact that, say you make a big position on a penny stock, you know, that's 10 cents and you're hoping for it to go to 15, but it goes to 5 cents or 4 cents, so now you've lost everything that you personally invested in and also some of Robinhood's money, so now you have a deficit. You owe money to the stock market that you did not originally invest. I would not suggest a gold account until you feel more than comfortable investing.
Oh, I feel comfortable.
Do you feel comfortable? What happens when you post something now that you're a moderator? You should have like a name similar to this. That's actually pretty close to real time, guys. Like, I've streamed on other services before that just do not have very good latency. It's probably about 2 seconds behind. Yeah, you see, you got the wrench. You're the guy. You can stream. Can you hear the music on there? Okay. Oh, do we want to get out so we can look at other trades just so I'm not boring you guys? You know what? We're getting up into the... I gotta hold on to it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna post for what I bought at 704. And we're gonna post max. And we're gonna see if I can exit where I got in. This will be pretty difficult, I believe, but I'd rather just lose the trade fee than I would not make anything. Ooh, big drop. 665. We're back on the board. You know what? We're gonna hold. We're climbing a little bit, not much. These people are greedy. See, when we started, we had that 6% margin. Now we're at like a 1.5% margin between buy and sell. And we want bigger margins, okay? So you can get those quick trades. Looks like we're coming up, though. Might see a nice big spike here. And by spike, I mean enough to just make back what I got in, so I'm not losing money. Alright, nobody wants to be losing money. So we've come up. Let's see, let's refresh. $81. See, we've come back up $5. We don't want to be losing that much money, you know. It's a little dangerous, you know, playing, because you can make big gains. You see, it's a $5 gain on an $80 trade. Okay, that's good. That's good money if you're making it instead of losing it. If I'd have got in at the bottom here, I could have made the money and not lost the money. I think I'm going to take my losses at this 2% range here and get out. So I'm at 684. We're going to cancel. I'm going to go to 688. $87. I don't know. We'll wait before we pull the trigger, because we could come up a little bit higher. I just don't want to. I don't want to get back into a big 5-10% loss again. 687, 683. Still coming up, waiting for that next minute marker. 10 seconds. 689. So I want to be 688. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. 693. Man, we're coming back pretty close. You know, I'm not going to have such a big loss here. 692. I'm ready to get back in. I'm fairly confident I could sell this at 692. Make less than a 2% loss. I'm worried that the market's not going to keep climbing. I'm getting out, because we're getting a little bit of lateral movement here on the RSI, and we're not still climbing. So I want to try to lock in losses under 2%. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. If we can get out. I'm not the only person selling at 692. We want to be ready. Go 690. Yeah, it's about to. I'm coming in at 690. Because I'm trying to get out. Okay. Broke through 692. We could continue to see that rise, but I'm not upset about it. We lost 2%. Let's look for some other trades here, because we want to see that hit another big low before we can get in. Getting a nice. That's a quick pull up there. What is that? Price range. So you got in probably here 6%. And that's where it actually ended, man. That's not just an opener. Flow bot. So many profits to be made elsewhere. So many profits. Ooh, man. Here's last night. Yeah, I did. We'll be right back, guys. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Sorry for the wait. Sorry that took me so long. Welcome back to the stream. If you're just getting here, my name is Crypto Juan. Man, I just lost some money. That's alright. Hopefully we'll show you how to win some money. Checking out the exchange right now, seeing what's up. Look how many coins are up today. Not many. Not many in the BTC market. What about Ethereum? What's rising in Ethereum? Strat. That'd be an okay coin. You know, that'd be okay. Let's see. USD markets. We know what's gone up today, right? Heck yeah. Bitcoin, man, we're up to $16,356 a piece. Ripple's going up. I heard that Ripple just made a market evaluation. Oh man, what was it? Like 55 billion, something like that. I don't know, let's check. 10 billion. That's crazy. 26 cents a coin. Up 2%. Can we trade on Ripple? Let's see. Ripple's had some full 1 cent swings there. Let's see, that was 22 to 26, 4 cents a piece. That could have been some good money for somebody. Not me though. I'm always just trading versus Bitcoin. Because of Bitcoin's rise, everything versus Bitcoin has gone down in Satoshi, which subsequently has kind of lowered their value a little bit, but makes it easier to make those quick trades that win. So we're going to try to find us another winner here. We're going to come on over here to spread. Got some 10% spread. We've got no winners on the first page. No winners on the second page? Seriously? Dang. No winners on the third page. First winner with a decent spread is cial US. I don't know what that coin is. I don't know why it costs so much money. Why is it $10? $31. Jeez.
How much money you got?
$87. Why?
Do you buy any stock with that?
No.
Huh?
I can buy cryptocurrencies. Why? What stock?
I was gonna say, go get on that Best Buy shit. That's just going up.
How much is Best Buy though?
Like 61. Over the last week, it's gone up 3.14%. And over the last 5 years, it's gone up 510%.
Let's give us the 1 hour on Best Buy. Said over the last week. Give us the 5-day. It's actually down for the week, man. I mean, as opposed to the beginning of the week, you know, we're still up, but we hit a peak. Oh, what? That'd probably been Tuesday there. We're kind of come back down a little bit, you know.
What you buying in right now is like, I'm willing to bet.
I don't think so, man. Let's check out the 1 month on it here. We'll see. We're just going to do a quick analysis on Best Buy for you guys, just in case you're interested, alright? Go ahead and get me down here. Scoot this over so I'm not blocking any of the graph. Alright, so we're on the 1 month for Best Buy. I don't know, man. There was a good chance you can buy some of these dips here. Right now, I would say is not a good time to buy. I mean, my personal opinion and not financial advice. I personally probably wouldn't buy here. I would have liked to have bought anywhere This green line had crossed over the white down below, and you've got a black candle hanging down below the green. Right here would have been an excellent time to buy. Alright? You buy and you hold. This is a swing trade. This ain't no day trade right here. I mean, you probably could have traded it within the day. We're looking at 30-minute candles here, so that probably could have been a whole day. What's that price range? You're not ever going to get in on the absolute bottom because we're not perfect. That's a 5% trade in the day if you could manage that on the day. Or if you would have held and got out when it started to come down, 14% swing trade for the week. So for someone like me who's betting low, whereas in my stock exchange account where I can trade actual stocks, I would make 14% on $15 would not be worth it to do a swing trade. But for you bigger guys, or someone who's looking to invest $1,000, you know, 14%, it's $140 for the week. You know, it's not super big to start out with, but you know what? That's a big winner in my book. If you're just trying to make an investment so you can get a retirement, that's not bad. Let's check out the year to date, see where we've been, see where we're going. So really what we're seeing here is we're just kind of getting back up. This could be a bull run, but we're hanging back a little bit, getting back into the regular zone on RSI. So probably won't see that big of a gain anymore. Let's get some flags on it. Let's see. Let's get this scooted a little bit further over here. Oh, it's in a weird zone, guys. We're right there. You know, it met its resistance, came back down a little bit. You know, I'm not the guy you need to talk to about trading stocks yet. We'll get there eventually. We'll gain the knowledge. We'll learn together. But this is kind of what I'm seeing here. Almost a double top there. I wouldn't quite call it a double top. That's kind of what it looks like to me, though. So we could expect to see a pretty big pullback here. You know, we don't have much support. So we could see that come, you know, way down here. And we don't want that. We don't want it to come down here because then you're not in the money anymore. So right now, my personal opinion, not financial advice, I would not invest in Best Buy. Some good companies you could invest in if you want a good solid investment would be Tesla. I say this because they got the new trucks coming out next year. They're going to be putting in production of their new model of electric car, about 10,000 a week. Do your research, but I think Tesla would be a great buy. Let's take a look at it. Excuse me. So we're not in too high of a zone here. Let's check us out on the 1 month. Tesla's been holding its own pretty good. You know, a little bit of up and down action there. Not too bad. They had this big pullout and not a very big correction here, okay? So, and they're just now getting back up. We're not even close to all-time highs yet. But I'm thinking mid-quarter 1, 2018. So now wouldn't be such a bad time. We kind of want to get in on one of these big bounces like this. Try to get as close to the bottom as you can whenever you buy in. Let's get this over here a little bit. Find some resistance. Find some support. Come back here. Kind of got resistance going on up in this area. I don't know, guys. Right now, support, you could pretty much call it, you know, right there. That's a big range that it's been fluxing around in. for the last 2 months here, you know. And then we had that big drop. I'm not sure what the news was here when it was up at the 380, 385 range, or what caused it to come down, you know, because Tesla's always doing all kinds of crazy innovative things. Let's get back to seeing if we can make some money on that good old intangible coins. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Gonna try to end this on something I'm gonna hold overnight because I have a feeling it's gonna go up. I think Einsteinium might be it. Let's look at it. DMC. Cryptocurrency. I'm on Bittrex. So it might not be a bad overnight hold. So what I'm thinking I'm probably going to do here, because I'm always weary, and I think we'll probably get, you know, the action that Einsteinium's had for the last couple of days. The only reason I think it's gone down like this is just purely because that sharp rise in the Bitcoin price. So we're getting what I feel like is pretty close to the bottom here. So I wouldn't feel bad at all risking it. I'm gonna buy all in, and I'm probably gonna place a sell order for somewhere in the 11,595 range. Let's see what we could do if we're able to accomplish our goals. So if we can successfully buy in here, we'll get on this next one. Get on the 595 range. 600, that's a 4%er right there. Just to gain back up to where we were. This is a pretty sharp loss. I think I'm gonna get in. I am. Let's go here. Let's go 100. Are we still falling? I don't want to get in too high. We'll watch it. We'll try to get in at the absolute bottom. I'm gonna be patient this time, unlike every other time. I'm new to the game, guys. I'm new to the game. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to get you to help me learn and you to learn with me. That's why we're here. I'm trying to have some fun. Try to make a little bit of money. You know, I'm not quitting my day job. You know, I'm just having fun. I got into crypto back in 2011 when it first came out. I wish I would have stayed. I mean, I'm sure you've heard 1,000 stories of somebody who could have been a millionaire. I've got an old computer. I know this sounds cliched, but I know I've got 10 to 15 Bitcoin on it right now. 10 to 15 Bitcoin from when I was mining, when I was in frickin' junior high, guys. I mean, I tried to get into it, and I lost that computer. Might be at my parents' old house up in the attic somewhere. I probably should check, you know, because that'd be worth a lot of money. If I had 10 of them times 16,000, this is 160,000. I mean, I don't even need a calculator. Okay, price is coming back up here. Let's get in. I should shut my mouth and pay attention to my trades. Look at that wall, though. Look at this. Why is this guy so eager to buy in? He trying to drive the price up? So I'm just going to buy the 1139 range. Alright, order filled. So we got in at 1139. Come on. Close enough. And I want to get out at 11,600. Where does my confidence lie in this? I mean, we've had some big spikes and some big pullbacks, and we've never quite met back up to where we were. So I'm not expecting to reach the same top. especially after the dip we took today. So I'm gonna log off here, set my buy order, my sell order rather. Sell, confirm. Got my sell order placed. Bought in at 11138. We'll just go ahead and check the wallet real quick. I'm gonna close these bad boys up here because I'm sure they're logging down my bandwidth. All them trades. So we're sitting at 82.45 for the night. Hopefully we'll wake up in the morning and this will be $90. Okay, guys, have a good one. Crypto One signing out.